up, you love your spot. Only, only luck could bring us to this better place. Mm, I know that I'm beneficial. I'm beyond the mental. Gonna make things simple. My company living in from triple black. Feel like I'm in a limo. Um, mm, If I don't kill him, he go be in critical condition when I'm finished with him. Some shit just get fizzy when he'll be that nigga. Brody died this shit, how you sentimental? Over 10 centers. I got too much money for my mom to work a job. I got a pride now. She said, "Oh, Tashara was good, man. Hey, bro, you always the fossil strip. Let's go." Yeah, man. It's day 32. Day 32 grinding every single day, man. God damn it. Let's keep the grind going, boys. No, you get up, you lose your spot. It's for the better. Hey, man, consider liking the stream. As soon as you just join, just like the stream. Let's get it, man. You know, that's how YouTube works. The more likes you get on your stream, the more it spreads it to people and shit like that. So let's get it. Let's like him. Bust up, I don't gotta do it, but I'ma get it done. I'm man up on my problems when I could easy run, easy go, easy go. Here's some more. I'm swapping up my cars again. Man, I'm listening to Lil Baby, bro. He should not stole for my baby. Dinner's complete. Okay. And try again. I can't fake it. I got too much money from my mama work a job. I know she proud now. Sister to the dinner's complete. Let's lock in. Your dinner's complete, bro. Yeah, it is. It is obviously. I know you're asking for something else. No, you get up. You lose your spot. Okay, let's just go back. So, let's go for pointers. Today we're gonna be doing pointers and errors. Pointers and errors. Pointers and errors. Pointers and errors. That's what we're gonna be doing. I think we are done with this one, really. Yeah, we're done with this. So we're going for pointers and errors. And then after this, I think we can do maps, dependency injection, and whatever. What are you starting today? We're doing pointers and errors. Um, we learned about the structs in the last section, which lets us capture a number of values related around a concept. So at some point, you wish, hold on, let me zoom this in a little bit like this, something like this. At some point, you wish, hold on, what's that? At some point, you may wish to use structs to manage state, exposing the methods to let users change the state in a way that you control. Now, here's the thing though. I feel like this is okay. How about, let's say, for example, right? With the knowledge, let's say, with the knowledge that I already have, can I start working on the chess engine using Go and then learn along along the way? I think let's try to see. Let's see if this is feasible. Let's see. Absolutely. And honestly, it's the best way to learn Go. You've got enough to to be dangerous. Structs, methods, values versus pointer, receivers, interfaces. So that covers probably 60% of what a chess engine needs at foundational level. The rest of things like slices, maps, constants, basic error handling are small enough that you can pick them up as they come rather than studying them upfront. I actually now know how to use slices. I don't know how to use maps. So maybe let's just study a little bit of pointers. When we finish the pointers, then we can maybe go to maps and that should do it because we already know arrays and slices. So I think we should be good. We should be good up to here. So I think in this session, let's just finish with the pointers and then we can now go to like maps and then we can start working on the engine. I think that is like a better way to do it rather than just starting and then finding difficulties and all of that. So let's see. Let's just follow this article for a sec. 'Cause, we learned about structs in the last section, which lets us capture a number of values related around a concept. At some point, you may wish to use structs to manage state. We may use, hold on, we may wish to use structs to manage state, exposing methods to let users change the state in a way that you can control. I kind of don't understand. I don't understand what this statement means. At some point, you may wish to use structs to manage state, exposing methods to let users change the state in a way that you can control. Okay, so fintech loves Go and what is this? And Bitcoin. So let's show what an amazing bank system we can make. So let's make a wallet struct that lets us deposit Bitcoin. So we're gonna start with our test. So we're gonna write the test like this. We need the test wallet testing, and then we start with wallet. We instantiate wallet as equals to this wallet struct, and then within wallet we have a deposit. I think it's a method or a function, yeah, something like that. I think it's a function inside a struct called deposit, and it takes in int. It's a function actually. This is we need a function called deposit that takes in 10, and this is like int, right? Since we don't have any floating point. And with that, then we're gonna say wallet dot balance. So we need balance to be inside the wallet. So there's a few things we need, right? Yo, Mello was popping, bro. How you doing? How's everything? How's everything? Look, I should have started my live stream earlier, but I was just stressed out playing chess, bro. And let me show you, like, okay, we're not gonna be playing chess for like the first half of the stream, because I want to like get some work done. But look, bro, like I'm really back to like 700 something. Like I've really been playing badly. Like, look, 768 all the way like from 800, dog, like from 800 something. Look at all these losses, dog. Like this is insane losses. So I was stressed the entire day. I'm like, all right, let me just get on stream before I crash out. So as soon as we finish studying, we're gonna go and try to like maybe climb the elo ladder. Oh, you can help me get some wins? No problem, no problem. After like the first section of the stream. So here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna be studying for 20 minutes. Everyone loses. Okay, cool. We're gonna be studying for 25 minutes. Let me just use the timer. It's like a Pomodoro method, right? We study for like 25 minutes and then we take a 10 minutes break, and that break will obviously be a chess game, right? So we just starting now. After 25 minutes, we do a 10 minutes chess game. We study how it goes, and then yeah. So after the second half of the 25th minute, I think I don't know how to say it, but after playing that chess, we'll go back to grinding again for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, then we're gonna be playing chess throughout. I think that is the best way to do it. You feel me? So let me hope you know now the structure. And if you wanna go do something and then come back just for the chess, I'm perfectly okay with it. You feel me? I'm just doing these live streams to keep me like accountable and also just keep the streak going, showing up every single day. You feel me? All right, so I'm going to build this. We need a wallet. We need to instantiate that, and then we have a deposit function, and then we have a balance. It's like a variable, could be not a variable, but actually a method called balance, right? Wallet.get balance, and then we want 10. Okay, so I think we should begin by writing that test. Now I'm gonna get rid of this. Not really now. I'm just gonna leave this out and. I'm going to go to pointers. So within here, I'll create a folder called pointers, pointers, something like this. All right. Let me just zoom this in a little bit so you guys can see. I'm going to put this at like 75 because why not? So let it be zoomed in like this. And here I'm just going to have pointers. And now here within these pointers, we're going to have first a struct called type. It's going to be called wallet. And this is a struct. Inside this wallet, we might have balance int, but yeah, I think balance should be int, something like this. All right, we can have that inside the struct. And what else do we need to do? We need to actually build the deposit method. If we go back to our test, we need to create a test. So let's just create the test in here. We're gonna call this wallet. Wallet. This should be wallet test, right? All right, wallet test. And then here we're going to have a function called test wallet. And this is going to take in this T is a pointer to the testing framework, not the testing framework, but Go test. All right, now here's the thing. The wallet is, we're going to instantiate wallet like this. Wallet is equals to what we have as our wallet, and it's going to be empty like this. So the first one is we need to get the balance. Now, here we're going to say got, I think this is, what is our got? We got 10, but we want, I mean, we got wallet.balance, yeah? Wallet.balance, and we're going to pass in 10. So we need to build this. We are going to build it in a second, but then we're going to say want this to be equal to 10. Nice. And then if want is not equal to what we got, then we throw an error, just like that. Now, if we try to run this test, we're going to have some issues. Invalid operation called wallet.balance of variable type. Int is not a function, so we need to go and create the function. So this is going to be our function. This is going to be wallet, I mean W, and we're going to have wallet. And this wallet is actually going to be deposit, not a function, but what is it? This is why am I forgetting it? This is a method actually, a method called that will take in amount as as what? As a parameter, not a parameter, but yeah, as a parameter. Okay, int, and then we're gonna return something like this. Let's just return 0 for now, and let's see what's going on. Okay, we're supposed to return not 0 though. I don't know who to trust. Oh, not actually return. What am I saying? Oh, let's say w dot balance is equal to increment the amount. Are we really incrementing anything? No. Is this hard for you? Is this hard for you? What is hard for me? I don't know. What's your question about? Okay, this is a little bit confusing. How about we first create this as a regular function? Let's create this as a function. Uh, let's see what's going on here. Unused function. Let's say return 0. Okay, are we having deposit in here? Hmm. Okay, let's go back to the test and see. We have wallet.deposit 10. What we got? Okay, wallet.deposit, we deposit 10, and then we got wallet.balance. And what did I say? Oh my God, I put something wrong. This is supposed to be wallet.balance, wallet.deposit, and then we deposit 10. We need to create that, and then we say got. What we got is instead wallet.balance. And yeah, so let's see, let's just run and try to let the compiler help us. Too many return values. I'll go back here. We need to turn this back, W wallet. Okay, let's just remove this return. So what are you coding right now? All right, what I'm coding right now, right? I'm I'm teaching myself Go so that I can build a chess engine. So at the moment, I want to finish up to like maps. I'm in this pointers and errors. Soon as I finish pointers and errors, I'll go to maps and then we shall start building the actual engine itself. So if we don't finish maps today, that means tomorrow will be the day to start working on the engine. You get what I'm saying? And yeah, this is like an article or like a blog post that's helping me learn. You get it? So I'm using this as like a teaching material because I don't like watching tutorials. Tutorials just wasting time, you know? All right. Oh yeah, 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 for sure. That's the thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's what I'm doing, Mellow, my brother. All right, let's go with this wallet. The structure. This has balance int. Hmm. So let's say we return w dot balance. Um, what are we really returning here? This is it's a little bit confusing. Bro, start again from the beginning. Which beginning? Why? Why do I have to start from the beginning? It's not my fault that you wasn't here. Invalid operation cannot call wallet.balance variable of type int. Int is not a function. Okay. Oh my god, this is a little bit confusing me. So I'm gonna remove this and maybe deposit amount. This should return int. This should return int, and let's just return 0 here. All right, let's go back here and see. So what's going on here? Let's run this. Define the type wallet has no failed deposit. So we'll go back here and see. We access field directly with the field name. However, in our very secure wallet, we don't want to expose our inner state. Yo, foot of Sherry. Bro, why is your name very funny? Our inner state to the rest of the world. We want to control access via methods. Okay. So what's going on here? Undefined wallet. So write the minimum amount of code for the test to run and check the failing test output. So we write this, nice. So now that we've made our wallet, try again. We're gonna get wallet.deposit undefined, type wallet has no failed deposit, nice. And then wallet.balance is undefined. So we need to define those methods. Okay, these are actually methods that we need to define. Bro, this is it. This will return 0 and then this will return deposit. What was I doing? What? Okay, this is actually supposed to be this W wallet. This should be a method, not a function. All right, that is our method. We go back here and define the balance as well. Balance, something like this. And what's going on here? This won't take in anything. Yep. And this is type int. What's going on here? This is not returning anything at the moment, so we're going to keep it like that. Navigate to the duplicate. What is the duplicate? Okay, this is not supposed to be there. Oh Lord. Okay, here let's just say return 0. All right, let's go back here, go back to our test case, and let's try to run this. Okay, so we got 0, but we want 10. So what we want to do, how do we get 10? It's a little bit confusing, right? So I think what we need to do is the syntax unfamiliar, go back and read the struct section. Okay, we understand that. As you can see, we got 15, but wait, what's this? Go yeah, we got 0, but we want 10. That's the same error message that we're getting. So write enough code to make it pass. So we need some kind of balance variable in our struct to store the state. Oh, okay. So in Go, if a symbol variable type function starts with a lowercase symbol, then it's a private. Then it's private. Outside the package, it's defined in. Oh, so instead of having this as balance like this, we just have balance and int. That means it's private. Pointers and go. Yeah, man. Pointers is just very hard, bro. I don't know why I'm having a hard time. Like already right now, I'm having a hard time understanding what's going on. Now that I ask for the man is sad. The pointer is sad. Yeah, boys. So consider liking the life, bro. You join the life, just like the life. Let's go. All right. Um, what next are we gonna do? So, in our case, we want our methods to be able to manipulate this value, but no one else can. Okay, but no one else. So remember, we can access the internal balance field in the struct using the receiver variable. Nice. So we can use w.balance, increment the balance every time, and yeah, that's gonna do it. This is not increment balance, by the way. It means the balance is incrementing every time. So instead of this, is it the balance? Let's leave 0. Just told me to think ahead. Programming teaching me that the error was 20 lines behind. Okay, let's go back here. That's a nice catch, by the way. I like that. One thing about chess is it helps you think ahead. That's true, but at the same time, you can think ahead and still fail, right? Isn't it? All right. Now, what's going on? Let's return an amount and we'll go back and run this. Let's see. Got 0 still. God damn. We got 0 by 110 with our career and fintech secured. Chess, but in chess, you think so much combination, sometimes it gives me headache. Oxy ZOP was good. My boy with the most weird name in the chat. How you doing? Chess, why would you get headache from chess? Like the life, my boys. Like the life, like the life. Let's go. So, in Go, when you call a function or a method that arguments are copied, what we're gonna do? Okay, listen. You know what, bro? I think to make it interesting, it's better if we just start like working on our. We start working on our application, cause for real, if we say I'm just gonna give it all my day to like study this, is gonna take me some time. So I'm gonna just keep this going, but I'm gonna start working on the chess engine. I think that's the best way to learning with the project and stuff. So I'm gonna stop this for today. Actually, I'm just gonna yeah, I think I might push this code today, but it's fine. Let's just start like a whole new project. I mean, yeah, a whole new project called Chess Engine, and that's what we're gonna be building. Maybe we can give it a name. What's the name of our chess engine? Filthy, filthy what? Maybe we say filthy. We give it that name, filthy, filthy engine filthy, because all the chess engines out there. Let's see how many. Okay, popular. Let's say popular chess engines. Third, smart. One bracket provided other. Filthy fish. I don't want to copy stockfish. That's the problem. There is Komodo dragon. You see how these names are very nice? Okay, let's say filthy. We can just call it filthy. Just filthy. Yeah, maybe filthy chess. I think filthy chess is better. Filthy chess engine is better. So let's go with filthy chess. Something like that. I think I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So we can start working on it. Concept of pointers is not gonna help you because you have no interest in low level stuff. Yeah, not really though, because when we're building a chess engine, there's a lot of pointers, a lot of like it's an engine literally. So it's gonna pointers in Go is not the same as I think pointers, yeah, I would say maybe not very same as the ones for C++. I don't know if I'm right there, but yeah. I'm starting to understand pointers and go actually, but it's a little bit hectic. So what we're gonna do now, let's just start building the project and then we can iterate from there. So I think that's it. Outside in your city looking good. It's a Drake a call it wish a nigga would. That got wood on it. Filthy fish. You know to go with filthy fish. I feel like everyone knows stockfish. I don't want us to be like a copycat, you know? That's why. Maybe we call it filthy. I don't know, bro. I really don't know how to name my chess engine. So let's first see where we at. Let's CD developer maybe. Let's see what's inside the developer. We got mobile dev, game dev. Okay, so this is not web dev. This actually, I'm just gonna say engine dev. So let's just make a directory called engine. Wait, as if we already have, as if we already have a chess engine. I think this should be inside game dev, right? This should be inside game dev since that is chess engine is a game dev. Okay, fine. So let's get let's see the inside the chess engine and let's see what's inside it. Main.go. Nice. So let's open this up. How do we open that up? Dude, what's your current favorite Indian song? Om Tera Bina Bere Nahi Sakche Tera Bina Kya Wujudu Mera Kingatum Hi Ho Habitum Hi Ho Zindagi. Yeah, that's my favorite Indian song. I can just a bit. Alright, I think that I think that's it, boys. Somebody's asking me my favorite Indian song is crazy. Alright, let's go. Uh, wait, where is it at? Um, all right, let's go to developer, game dev, open chess engine. Nice. I trust the project. Good. So if we open our chess engine, good. So now we have our chess engine in place. So I think it's time to like start adding this to Git, right? So let's first see. Let's say Git status. Do we have Git really? So not yet. So I'm just gonna initialize this Git init. I've initialized Git here. So I'm just gonna say hello world here first. So let's say um let's say hello. I mean we could instead share the empty stuff, right? This is gonna give us hello world, then we just print hello world so that we can at least push something to our Git repo. So let's open GitHub. All right, boys. So we're starting to cook, boys. We're starting to cook. We'll go to repositories. Yeah, me too, dude. You're awesome. Thanks, man. Thanks. If you've enjoyed the singing, consider liking the stream. Smash that goddamn like. Join our Discord. Yeah, I think you're already in the Discord. I don't know. But yeah, it is already a small boy. Let's go and say chess engine. I don't know the name for this chess engine, but I'm just gonna call it chess engine. Chess engine filthy, but let's just call it chess engine, bro. It is already. Should I keep it as public? I think I should keep it as public, right? Monument. I don't know. I don't know any historical monument is crazy. Boys, should I make it open source or I should keep it as closed source? Should I keep it as closed source? Should I leave it? Should I leave the repo open or just make it private? What do you guys think, man? I need you guys to interact, bro. You don't know? All right, I'm gonna go with private. Soon as I hear, I don't know. I'm gonna go with private. Okay, let's create our repo. We have our repo created. Nice. So we have the init everything. I'm just gonna say my first commit. Just go ahead and commit. Oh, what's going on? Okay. Actually, I need to say git add. Oh my god. Let's say git add. Bro, what? Git add dot project settings can be added to git add. Always add. Okay. Let's just go ahead and create this. Good. So we've pushed our first commit. So let's see. Bro, I made it private already, bro. Alright, we have our main.go. As you guys can see, we have our chess engine is private, nice, and we have our commit for the day, very good. So now we can start grinding on building this chess engine. We're gonna do a research, like a complete big research on how to build the chess engine. And we're gonna not, I mean, what am I saying? We're gonna keep it as simple as possible and iterate over time as alongside learning Go as well. So how are we gonna approach it step by step? We don't need any code yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good as the research at research, maybe. So I'm gonna say, okay, I have a very good task for you. As a senior software engineer, especially a backend developer that is specialized in Go, how would you how would you approach building a chess engine given you have not a lot of knowledge? I mean, you have a lot of knowledge as a software engineer, but you are trying to teach me, junior dev, on how to approach building a chess engine with all the skills that I know as a junior dev. I already know quite a few things in Go, like slices, variables, structs, methods, and interfaces. A little bit of pointers here and there, but not a lot. So I want to use the chess engine as a project-based learning way in order to approach Go. At the same time, build something that is gonna help me or gonna, appear in my resume. So what would you do as a senior dev, and how are we gonna approach it? Also, make sure that you know at the back of your mind that I'm a junior dev who has no knowledge completely in building chess engines. And I don't need you to give me the code yet. Just guide me along the way. We plan out the architecture, what we need, what we don't, and everything else in between. So let's go. I think these are very nice. I don't want to type, bro. Like, honestly, oh my God. Typing is very, very hard. All right. Okay, so we've dictated. This is like a very So this is exactly the kind of project I would recommend for someone learning Go. Not because you'll end up with a world-class chess engine, but because chess engines force you to learn data structures, algorithms, testing, performance optimization, interfaces, recursion, search trees, concurrency, profiling, software architecture. So the biggest mistake juniors make is I'm building stockfish. I know ChatGPT was just going to be sarcastic off the rip. I knew it. Lazy is equals to bad, not lazy is equals to good. I don't know. What's the strongest muscle brain? Fingers or control C, control V? But what's your strongest? For real though. For sure. Alright boys, so let's go. We are gonna like focus. So no, you're building version point one of a chess engine. Stockfish has decades of work behind it. Your goal is to build a Lego chess engine from scratch while learning Go. Nice. And another thing, okay, let's just repeat this for a sec. Or maybe we can go for chess and then come back, but let's just repeat this so that when we go for the break, we can just go for break entirely. You feel me? What are you saying, bro? You get it? I feel like ChatGPT IQ on chess is negative. No, 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 no. ChatGPT is not like the chess thing that you're saying, right? What we are doing is just is giving us the architecture and just like how to approach everything, the roadmap and everything that we need. So this is another thing that I'm going to think of. Um, what was I trying to say? I think I got carried away by the chat. So it's okay. I think I'll recall it. Oh yeah. I wanted to say, man, I'm trying to build my X account as well. So if you guys don't mind, you guys should like try to follow my X account. I'm honestly just trying to build my X account. It is very dormant and it's trash. You feel me? So wait, hold on. Starlink helps schools in Kenya. It's actually tough, man. First full day in Namibia, or whatever. Okay, whatever. But I wanted you guys to like, just follow my X account. We're gonna start like posting on X, documenting my build, like me building the, how do I call it? Me building the chess engine. And the first post, I'm gonna make it right now on stream. Every single day on stream, we're gonna be making a public post. I don't care if we build a mediocre chess engine, if we don't even finish it in time. I don't care if it takes us 3 months, 2 months, whatever the time is gonna take us. Given we're not gonna be copying and pasting code, like that's the thing that I'm gonna try to avoid. So I think you guys will enjoy this. So consider just following me on X. It's very hard to grow on X. Like honestly, boys, if you guys have an X account, just consider following me on X, man. X is crazy. So I'm gonna make my first post. I don't care how bad it is, right? So I'm gonna be building it in public as well. So day one, I'm just gonna say started off with this. So let's just take a little screenshot, I guess. Maybe. Hold on. How do we close this? I think it's command one. Okay. Command one closes this. Nice. So I'm gonna take a little screenshot showing the hello world. Do you think this chess engine will be a success? I guess. How about Reddit? Reddit is also cool. Reddit is also cool. But given I just want to build in public, honestly. So one post I can post it on X, Reddit, and maybe LinkedIn as well. To just, yeah, the chess engine will be a success, bro. What I might consider a success might be, I don't know, you might not consider it a success, but for me a success can be like, how do I call it? Okay, this, I don't know if this screenshot is like way too, yeah, it's too broad. I think this screenshot takes a lot of stuff. So what I want to do, I just want to make it very short like this. Just take this part all the way here and just take a simple screenshot like this. I think the screenshot is like straightforward. Now I'm gonna go here. All right, that screenshot is nice, but wait, it's not nice, bro. This is ugly. Why is ugly, bro? Oh my god. Okay, this. I feel like this screenshot is ugly. What do you guys think? Yeah, but I'm just gonna take it anyways. Let's just go with it. It's okay. Let's not overthink it, boys. Let's create a post. And what's gonna be our post? So day one. Should I keep it as day one of building the chess engine? Or maybe building a chess engine in public um, from scratch using language I completely have no idea on. So it's a good way to learn as a filthy photographer. First day on the job, fired. My spelling is bad. Username? My username is here, Filthy. The same name that is on chess.com. Like I use Filthy everywhere. Or you can just write Emmanuel Francis, you see there. But it's Filthy. Filthy. Boys, man, I want you guys to follow me on X. Go ahead and do it ASAP. Let's go. So it's a great way to learn as well. So it's a great way to learn as well. Um, okay. I'm just gonna say, I'm building I'm building a chess engine in public from scratch using a language I completely have no idea on. And that language is Golang, Go programming programming language. Okay. Now, so it's a I think okay, let's just say I think this will keep me accountable and is probably a great way to learn before in AutoCAD. Um ideas and thoughts welcome. All right, man. Let's go. Let's go to see the build. Um build progress. We're gonna stop like this. I think this is okay. We might hit two birds with one stone. I think I'm just gonna leave it at this. What's going on here? We're left with like about three, I guess, because X is just very, very, very annoying. Let's say go, go, something like this. Okay, X is too annoying, bro. You have to pay for everything. Nah, I'm just gonna post this, bro. All right, boys. So we have our first post of the day. Let's go. Y'all can always just check it out. You feel me? Things are bad on X, bruh. X is very hard to grow on. So whoever is interested in like following me or whatever, I'm just gonna leave my profile in the chat. So you guys can consider like following me. We have 3 followers. Nice. Who's this? Let's follow everyone that's following us. So let's follow back. Okay, this is my company page, which is even trash. This is not even doing anything. So I'm following back everyone who's following me. Let's go, my boys. All right. Let's go. My boy Amir, man. This is the goat, man. Oh my god, Amir has about 13 followers. Let's go. Let's go, Amir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, bro. I'm proud of you, my brother. Like you've been building on, you've been actually doing great on X. Oh my god, you scared me. I thought this was your post. Oh, I remember when ChatGPT used to look like this. I remember when ChatGPT used to look like this. Yeah. So I think this should be fine, man, Amir. Let's go. My boy Amir is locked in on X. Boys, consider liking, joining, or whatever, doing whatever you wanna do. So let's go to Reddit as well. Reddit. Okay, what the hell? How do you even spoil Reddit? Ah damn. Let's go to Reddit. Um, wait, I can see it. This is Reddit, right? Visit Reddit. This is my Reddit account. I think I have a Reddit account, don't I? Don't I have a Reddit account? No, bruh. Hold on. Where do you get your account from? I can't see it for some reason. Go to settings. Oh my god. Uh, okay, let's just disconnect here. Continue. Bro, I can't see shit. Like, how do I even check my account? Oh, okay. So, for some reason, this is using some account that I'm not even like, hold on. We message. Okay, what the hell is going on? How do I log out on Reddit? How do I log out and just log in into my. Okay, log out is here. Jesus. It's English, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose another account. Yes, programmer filter. That's what we're gonna be using for Reddit. Let's go. All right, so yes, this is my Reddit account. I remember I had a Reddit account. I remember very well. Update your settings now to curate your whatever. I don't know what the hell is going on. All right. Mark as mature, label your profile as not safe. Now my profile is is safe. So boys, how do I post on Reddit? Do I just go and just like say post? Or I need to like join a subreddit or something? Well, how do I do it? Do I just create posts and post it or just join a subreddit and paste it there? I don't know, bro. I have no idea. Yo, somebody help me in the chat ASAP, bro. Somebody help me in the chat. You can just pause, bro. All right. I just pause. You already logged in and will be redirected ready shortly. Wait, welcome back. Okay, fine. So, how do you create a pause? Yeah, what's on my mind? I have this. Wait. Not my X stuff. I need to go in here and just paste my X account. Hey, boys, consider following me on X. The stuff is right there down there. All right. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to x.com and we're gonna just copy everything here and go back to Reddit. What's on my mind? This has been on my mind, brothers. All right, we are building a chess engine. Well, let's just say chess engine. I don't know if that tag is going to work, but it is what it is. What else? We're just gonna say go. We're gonna also say programming. Okay, I've reached the limit of the characters. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Wait. What's on my mind? Is this it? Should this be that? And then we just have to add something? Yeah. Okay, let's just go here and just add this somewhere here. Can't you just copy what you pasted from X to Reddit? Yeah, that's what I did. You need a subreddit community. Yeah, for real, man. I need a subreddit community. I can just post anywhere. Omonyengator, I think it's because you sleep a lot, right?
Shut up.
I need to copy that for a little.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, so just
Mm-hmm.
you know,
Mm-hmm.
nyangani
Yeah.
okay, nyangani shega ni go gidi nyangani. The one that deals with the money place in the bakery.
Which bakery?
Kat Eshman Nyana, the new bread place, the short one like this. She has a funny turkey.
Yeah, what's up with them? I don't know how, but yeah.
I got in a fight with her yesterday.
How?
She stole my money. And when I went back to ask for it, she said she doesn't remember anything.
Which money? How much?
One.
Where?
Yesterday, bro, I went and bought something.
You
And
fought?
okay, not where
You quarreled.
yeah.
I go scared, bro. But don't be getting in fights with these people,
I
bro.
don't usually do, bro.
I don't want them to smoke you, bro.
Smoke with me?
Oh, but it's, hey, listen. Is it in the same place for the bread place?
Yeah, nyangani go dealing and in the place and you buy the thingies from here and then you come to.
Oh, I know that short girl, bro.
She has such attitude, bro.
I know her. What happened? She took your money.
Yeah. Then when I went back to her, she said she doesn't remember. I said, "What do you mean you don't remember?" She said, "I don't remember." I said, "Give me my money. My motor is waiting." She's like, "Me, I don't remember, sister." She
Nah,
has someone.
I'll go to her when I go to her. I'll ask her
She
because I
said
know
she
her.
don't remember.
All right, no worries. Anyways, what are you gonna get now? Hmm? Come and say hi to the stream first of all.
I'm in a good mood, but you almost destroyed it by waking me up.
Come and say hi to my people here. Come, they're here. They're here.
Greetings, everyone. Where do I say?
Yeah, that's my little sister. Yeah,
Where are you reading?
is there.
Oh yeah, sibling. I'm bigger than him though.
Cap, This is my little sister, boys. Our difference is 4 years.
Yeah.
4 years though. Little, look at you saying Cap. Anyways, these people will call me Unc. Yeah, that's Cap, boys. So yeah, little same. Go get that stuff. I don't know what you're gonna get, but yeah, I can keep it. So I think it should be enough. You try to can out can never with this stuff, with this big or whatever, then just handle your stuff. You get it? But I think Fasule will do.
Okay.
Yeah, so first go and get it first and then you get bread with you. Please don't go and quarrel with her, bro. I don't want anyone to like hurt you because I'll kill people. You understand?
Check the pen and then just put it at her table and go. Me, I'll show her attitude. I'm taking it. I want fish.
Okay, I think we have Onga no? No, it's there. I think it's there. I left like three. So get go and get yeah, it's not there. Chicken basket, onions, me. Okay.
It's the woman here.
You're not a woman, bro. You're a girl. You're a little girl. All right, no problem, my boy. No problem. Uh, no problem, man. You'll always find us. You'll always find us on stream. No worries. No worries, my brother. I don't know how to get this in place, but I think our sub. I'm not in any community, dog, and I can't just post in this community. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I feel like I won't be accepted, but let's just see. I'm just posting right now. Get your post. I don't know, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. So I've just uploaded that. That should do it for today's like building public, especially what we're gonna be doing. Also, LinkedIn. That's like the last post that we're gonna make. Let's just go to this LinkedIn account. Let's just post this. All right. Oh, you got us? Piano now. That's Pina again. All right. Um. Okay. Let's just grab this. I think this should be okay. All right. So go. So this should be program chess engine. All right. This should be enough. I'm just gonna um share that post. LinkedIn post. We should be good to go, my boys. So I'm gonna close that off. Now let's start. Let's start understanding. Never mind. I gotta go now. No problem, my brother. No worries. You'll always get us on stream. It's all good. It's all good, my boy. All right, no worries. So we have phase zero, which is understand what a chess engine is. A chess engine is not a UI. A chess engine answers, given a position, what legal moves exist and which move is the best. So everything revolves around those two questions. Given a position, what legal moves exist, which move is the best. So those are two things that we need to understand. Given a position, what legal moves exist, which move is the best. Now everything revolves around these two questions. Now high level architecture is, I'll separate it like this. We got I don't know what the hell is CMD, just we have internal. I don't understand what's going on there though. Or we can have internal, maybe the board. We can have board.go, pieces.go. I mean board and then board.go, pieces. We can have piece.go, move.go, rules, Lego moves.go, and evaluation.go, and then search minimax.go, and then engine.go. Very simple. Now I don't understand why this is like super hard like this, but let's just see. Let's just see if we are going to follow this entire stuff, and then we can have tests as well, tests folder. So let's just go and separate the high level architecture like that. We're gonna have our architecture. Let's start with the internal. We can start with the board, the pieces, the moves, the rules, and evaluation. So here I'm just gonna get rid of this main.go. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the main.go and just have the board as well. Let's create the board. We're gonna create now. Let me first remove this, right? We need to create a branch because we need to be working in branches as well. So let's just say git branch, git branch. I mean git checkout is better. Git checkout, not main, but dash b, a new branch called we're just gonna go with architecture, and we are going to just build architecture, high level architecture. We have to build the board. I think making directory, let's just say make directory here. Yo, Big Sleep 7, what's good, my brother? Okay, we have make directory, board, we have pieces, move, rules, evaluation, and such. So pieces, pieces, moves, pieces, moves, we could start with that. Pieces, moves, rules, and evaluation. Okay. Rules, evaluation, maybe evaluations, let's just say evaluation is fine. And then search, and we're gonna go with the engine, and that is it. And tests, let's create those. Okay, so we have that in place. Now we're gonna go inside our board and just build the .go. So let's just go here and say board.go. Let's create board, add this engine. We need to just create a go file as well. And I think it should be engine.go, right? Yep, engine.go, and evaluation as well should be evaluation.go. Evaluation.go. Oh, here it is itchy a little bit. So this is going to be move.go, move.go, and this is going to be piece.go. Piece.go, that's fine. And then we can have Lego, not Lego moves, but actually Lego move. I'm just gonna say Lego move dot go, and search is gonna be minmax, minimax. Is it really minimax? Yeah, minimax dot go. Nice. That is for search, and then test. You can just have everything else that will be inside the test. Now let's just get rid of this hello world main.go. Let's just get rid of it. And we can just say git add dot. We just add the branch. This is going to be a high level architecture for now. So let's go ahead and just add everything. So git commit dash m. And this is going to be our high level architecture. This is going to be our high level architecture. What's really going on? Okay, I'm missing the quote. Let's say git commit high level architecture. Let's commit that. And git push dash origin. We add that feature, which is going to be our feature, copy the feature name, and that is going to be that. That's going to add our changes, push our branch. Now we have some, let's just go back to Git. We go back here, refresh this for a sec. Go here. You should be able to see that the game chess engine has updated. And boom. So we have some pull requests, compare and pull requests. We're just gonna compare everything that we did. We just added these things. Let's create that pull request. Nice. So I think now this should be okay. If we go back here, you'll see we have another contribution, 3 contribution, and this time we worked on the high level architecture. Very nice. Very, very nice. So let's see. Okay. Now, that is done. The phase one is now going to be building the board. All right, let me just repeat this. Now I need to like capture this as well. So I'm just gonna say the entire high level architecture. So let's just take this screenshot. It's gonna be our high level architecture. It's gonna be tomorrow's post. Or maybe if I'm excited, I might post this as well today. But let's just keep it as this for now. That is our high level architecture for engine for our chess engine. Nice. Okay, that should do it for the high level architecture. Let's continue studying. Nice. So now phase one is to build the board. Don't think about AI. Don't think about Minimax. Don't think about such. Just build a board. And that's what we're gonna be doing, building the board. Now, how we're gonna build the board? Now, here we need to represent the chessboard by saying 8 by 8 chessboard. You need to answer what's on e4, what's on a1, move pieces from e2 to e4. So the concepts that we've learned are the structs, methods, slices, and arrays. So mental model should be something like 1 to 8, and then, hmm, how are we going to represent this board? It's a little bit confusing. Okay, what is this? R, N, B, Q, K, B, and R? What the hell is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, from A up to H. Okay, this is like board representation, right? 8 by 8, I think, because we have this 8, 1 to 8 representing, I think representing the ranks, and then A from A to H representing the, I don't know, but I think it is the same as this chessboard. We have from 1 to 8 and from A to H, and that's basically the same thing, right? Nice. So, how about this now? Why do we have this funny looking letters? We have R, N, B, Q, K. Where are we getting this from? All right, this is a little bit, I don't know, bro. I don't know. So, why is this, let's say, why are we having random letters here? Okay. Hmm. Why are we having random letters, bro? Mm, okay. Those letters standard chess notation. Every piece has one letter symbol. Uppercase is equal to white, lowercase is equal to black. So later a piece. K represent king. White king and black king. Q represent queen. The okay, the white queen and the black queen. R represent the rook. This is the white rook, the black rook. BB represent the bishop. Black, I mean the white bishop and the black bishop. White knight and small, I mean a black knight. Knight can use K is taken by, okay, it was taken by the king. So PP pawn and empty square. This represents empty square. Ah, because the chessboard actually looks like this. I'm not understanding. We start with the pieces like this. We have B, I mean on 8 and 7 when you're with black, and assuming you're with white here, we have a rook and a rook. All the first ranks is filled occupied by the pawns, and the down, like the first rank is actually occupied by the rook, the knight, and a bishop. Yeah, rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, and a rook. Nice. And then the black is represented by rook, knight, black. I mean bishop, queen, king. Oh, so it's actually like this. It's going like this. Black. If when you're black, you start from this side, going this side. Oh, makes sense. Because here the queen is here, the queen is here too, right? The king is here, the king is here. So if we start from here, we're gonna have rook, knight, bishop. And this side we have rook, knight, bishop. Rook, knight, bishop, king. Rook, knight, bishop, queen. Oh no, not really. It's not going like this. I don't know how we're going to represent that really, bro. I have no idea completely. Mhm. All right. Um, 3, 4, 5, 6, they're all empty at the moment. Okay. So now that is how we represent the board, I guess. Okay. Now, every piece needs represent the pieces. Every piece needs we need a struct for the piece. That's gonna be the type and the color. What is the type? So conceptually, white pawn, black pawn, white queen, black king, I think, something like that. So the type, what's the type? A type is a knight. Is it white or black? I want to know. Oh, the piece type is okay. We need to store the type. Could be a pawn, and the color. Is it white or black? We store it in a struct. Nice. So learn, you start understanding constants, enums, custom types, and stuff like that. So example concept, we're gonna say pawn, knight, bishop, rook, queen, and king. Pawn, knight, bishop, rook, queen, and king. Now move generation. This is where the real project begins. All right, now we're gonna represent the board, right? So what is the best way to represent the board? Chessboard, right? So we are going to say 8 by 8, and how we're gonna do it really? I'm kind of confused at the moment. So let's look up chessboard representation. Let's look up chessboard representation. A chessboard is usually represented in one of the three common ways. Maybe we need an array, a 8 by 8 array, a square centric array. Let's go by 8 by 8 array. I think a 8 by 8 array should be what we're gonna do. Mm, we're gonna start with a simple 8 by 8 array. I think that is it. Each cell stores the piece on that square or empty. This is simplest to understand and implement. So now let's look at how we're gonna do it. In the board, I think we're going to have to start working on the board representation. And let me just go here and say git checkout our branch, and this feature is gonna be board representation. Let's say board. We can now work on the board. So on the board, what are we gonna have on the board? We're gonna have an 8 by 8 array. So why we're gonna store it first? Maybe we can store type, and we're gonna have a board, and it's gonna be a struct, and then we can have maybe instead of board, I mean this is piece represent piece. What the hell are we doing? Am I getting confused? Represent pieces, but now how do we start representing the board now? Okay. Let's go back here and try to look it up. So, okay, assuming I'm already inside of board.go. But how do we start representing the board? And also, I understand we can use 8 by 8 array, and given this is learning I'm going to be able to walk me through understanding it without giving me the answer, the code I understand first. All right, let's see now. Good instinct. So understanding before coding is the right move here. So what we want to represent, a chessboard has 64 squares. Each square is either empty or has a piece on it. I think we need to keep track of the empty spots on the board, and we're gonna need, I think, an enum for that. But let's see. MTO has a piece on it. A piece has two properties: what type it is, what color it is. So before we even think about the board, we need to be able to represent a single piece. So representing a piece type, you need a way to say this is a knight or this is a pawn in code. In Java, you'd probably reach for enum for an enum. Go has something similar called iota inside a constant block. Graphically looks like this concept. I don't know. I don't know. Java, you'd probably reach for an enum. What is iota in Go, bro? What is iota? Iota? Is it iota? What's this word? Iota? Is that the word? Iota? In Go. what is iota, dog? Go's iota identifier is used in constant declarations to simplify definitions of incrementing numbers because it can be used in expressions, provides a generality beyond that of a simple enumeration. The value of iota is reset to zero whenever the reserved word cons appears in the source. So I don't know. Let's see. Type byte size float. What the hell? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Go's iota is a special identifier used inside cons block to create incrementing constant values automatically. It starts at zero in each constant block and increments by one for each line in that block. Okay. Defining enums or named constant sets, creating bit flags. Okay, I don't know. I really don't know what to do there. It's a little bit confusing. So each piece type is just an integer under the hood, but you give it a readable name. So, oh, okay. So maybe we can go with like one or whatever, but isn't that not gonna disturb us? So you just list the names. Can you think of what type you'd use for piece type in Go? It's a small integer. Take a guess. Hmm. Wait. How about if we create a struct? Okay, representing color. Let's see. A piece is either white or black. That's a binary choice. However, I mean, how would you represent that? Think about the simplest possible Go type for something that is one of exactly two values. I don't know. I really don't know, bro. Oh my god. Now here's the key question before you go further. We're using an 8 by 8 array, but an array of what? Think about what sits on each square. It is either a piece or nothing. And Go, if you have a struct, one way to represent nothing is with a pointer. Okay, a pointer is either pointing at the real piece or it's nil. So the board would be an 8 by 8 pointing to a piece. A grid of piece pointers where nil means the square is empty. So last thing to think about before coding, the board is 8 by 8, so you can access a square with two indices like board, row, column. The question is which index maps to which? Does board 0 mean rank 1, white's back rank, or rank 8, black's back rank? There is no single right answer, but you need to pick one and stay consistent. Otherwise, your printer and your move logic will fight each other. What do you think makes more intuitive sense for how you would want to think about it in coding? Yeah, no worries, no worries, no worries at all, my brother. We've started working on the chess engine. We started working on the chess engine, and we are locked in, bro. But today we only worked on the architecture part, like making sure the architecture fits what we need. So I'm gonna get rid of this entire stuff. We're not gonna have this yet. We're not gonna have any changes here. So as you can see, um, okay, I'm gonna get rid of this main.go. So I really don't want to have this in here. Okay, let's just keep it for now. Nice. What have you decided architecture so far? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use 8 by 8 8 by 8 array to store the board. So we're gonna start with like the board representation. As you can see, we have the board, the engine, the evaluation, the moves, pieces. We have the rules, the legal moves, search, min max, and also tests. But for now, we're not gonna do all of this. We're not really gonna do all of this complex stuff. We want to focus on the board. I don't think I'm gonna do it today because I wanted today to just be focused on like the architecture and also introducing the project. And we also started a new concept where we shall be uploading every single day on X our progress. You feel me? So I think yeah, I'm going with the Minimax algorithm. Nice. So you should consider like following us on X, man. It's very hard to grow on X. It's crazy, bro. So like I started like also uploading things on X as well. So I think that should be good for us. I'm not gonna get verified, dog. I don't wanna have that shit next to my name. So yeah, Minimax algorithm is better. You're banned on X. What did you do? So yeah, I think that's gonna do it, my boys, for like the coding part. You really came late today, but it's good that you're coming on the time for chess. So it's not bad. We're gonna go and play chess now, and I think that should do it for the coding part. Really, I want to keep everything as light as possible. Keep everything gradual, not just like finish the entire engine in one day. Yeah. Yeah, but it's not a lot. It's not a lot. We just what we did is that we started a a new Git repo for Chess Engine, and as you can see, we made some changes. We added just a few things. And what is going on? Why is this branch not merged to the main? Wait, am I tripping? Wait, hold on. Wait, Git pull. What's going on? When you implement Minimax, don't forget to implement the alpha beta pruning technique. It is massively improves the performance. Yeah. When we get there, we're gonna grind. We're gonna grind it hard. Yo, I have a question. Why does it feel like we don't have our branches here? We made some code changes, but I can't see our. Okay, this is our head, right? Um, this is our head, isn't it? This is also our head. So how we gonna do it? Okay, let's go git branch, git checkout. Let's check out to the main branch, and then we're gonna have git pull so that we can merge. Why is it saying it's already what? What's going on? Uh architecture. Wait, architecture. Bro, architecture. What's really going on, bro? Why do I feel like this is not Jesus? What's really going on? Oh, merge pull request. I didn't really merge this. I didn't merge the high level architecture. What's going on with my brain, bro? Alright, I think this is better. Good. This is what I wanted, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now let's say git checkout architecture. That is a problem. I don't know, git pull the latest changes. And we're just gonna go ahead and delete everything that is already there in our main branch. Now let's go to our branches. And since this is already merged, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just delete this branch. All right, let's just leave that. But yeah, thank God it's already merged in here. I had not merged the pull request. That's why, because I was working in branches and I didn't merge the pull request. So I think the coding aspect should be done for now. And we can now go to big today. One thing I love is that we have like a 1 hour. We are done like 1 hour earlier because normally we finish like 2 hours, then we start like just. But this is cool because I really want to push my elo and stuff, so I'm just gonna remove most of this stuff. And yeah, bro, they reduce my elo like crazy, right? They reduce my elo like crazy. So let's try to push, bro. No matter what it takes, I'm gonna push through. And you remember FBI? You remember what I told you about the other chess channel, like the chess channel I was talking about? I'm gonna work on it just right after the stream. I'm gonna I'm going to rebrand my channel that's already existing because YouTube is very funny. You do not get views at all. Yeah, you don't get views at all when you are like you don't get views when you just start like a new channel. Completely, it's like there's no trust on that channel yet. Yeah, I was supposed to push this, but that was my bad anyways. You know what? I'm just gonna go here with the queen. This was bad of me though. I didn't want to do this, but it's okay. Just gonna take this. I didn't want to do this though, but it is what it is. So now I can just start pushing it. So you need an aged account that's like an account that's old so that you can at least get some views on there. So I think I'm not gonna castle. I'm not gonna castle. So I'm first gonna push him. I don't wanna castle. I just wanna move the queen. Yeah, he doesn't have a dark squared bishop, which is nice. I'm also gonna just push this. I'm not afraid of the knight. There's nothing the knight can do here really. Okay. Now he's pushing pawns on the side that he's already castle. Like I see you put the blue theme like I do. Yeah, 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 yeah. I copied it from you actually. I saw one of your screenshots, except the pieces though. We don't have the same pieces, but otherwise everything else is like similar. So what I'll be doing whenever we end the stream and it now becomes a VOD, right? What I'll be doing is that I'll be grabbing. I think I can maybe take this, right? Maybe taking is a good idea so that we can open this file. I think taking is a good idea. Kicking this knight away really won't do a thing. Taking here, he might take back with this, and then we have some. Our rook can jump in the game, but let's just go. Let's just push, bro. It's fine. Let's just kick this knight away. All right, so the knight has gone all the way back there, but then like, okay, nothing is really under attack. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just play here to maybe attack this bishop. I think because this bishop is gonna be a big threat down there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go here. Yeah, I'm gonna go here with the bishop. Nice. I just want to go ahead and just maybe take. I could take with the pawn as well, and just have so much protection for my king. I think that is the best idea. Or maybe just take with the queen. But doubling up the pawns, if it comes here, I just take with this pawn, and then this pawn is still protecting the king. So I don't want a castle, really. I don't want a castle. With the queen, it's better. All right, let me take with the queen. Let me take with the queen. It's fine. So, what do you think, FBI? Like, I'll be grabbing these videos that we make on stream and just post them on my whatever. Now, this is gonna be now this is a big disadvantage for me if I don't castle. Yeah, my king is gonna have a little bit of some trouble, right? Because now this guy's already pushing pawns. Yeah, the knight is trapped. The knight is actually trapped. Hold on. Let's stop now. I think the knight is trapped. Is the knight not trapped? Yeah, the knight is trapped. The knight is trapped. The knight is cooked. All right. He's trying to say I'm going to counter. I'm going to counter you, but this is gonna come with check, and I'll just move my bishop away. Nice. Maybe. Oh, maybe. I don't know. I don't want to spoil this. Let me just take. Uh, let me take with check. and I can just move this away. But this is also under attack, so I think I'll just take. But then I'll open with. Oh, he didn't even take the pawn. Holy shit! What's going on? Oh, cause the king is. Oh my god, this guy is cooked. This guy is toast. This guy is honestly toast. I think I'm gonna beat this guy. So maybe take. Oh, castle. What do you think? Taking. Oh, castling. I protect the queen, Lord. Oh, I didn't know it was protected by the queen. I didn't see the queen here. Oh God, I'm having so many choices, but my time though, I don't wanna. I don't wanna overthink anything. So I think taking here, but it will double up my pawns, right? So if it takes, I can just take back. It's fine, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, but if I take here, I mean, if I take, he's gonna take back and still attack this, and then I'll attack his queen. Nice. I think we have a good. I think we have a good game though. Oh, he said took with the knight. I don't mind trading, bro. I think I'm already ahead. I'm already ahead in material, so I don't mind trading some pieces of the. Oh my God, we have some problems though.
No,
No. Uh-huh.
no more beans, bro.
What did you bring us here? Okay, that's cool. As long as you make it nice, it's acceptable. Okay, cool. Mm, I'm not gonna castle now. Did I castle? Castling will just. Oh, this pawn is protected. Nice. The pawn is protected. I thought it wasn't protected for a minute. But hey, it is what it is. He's still trading pieces, which is crazy. Alright. I'm just gonna take. I think this guy is like trying to like he's trying hard to chase me away. I don't mind. I think I'm down with like the queen trade if he wants to trade the queens. But I don't want to take this and then risk losing this pawn. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go now with this. Oh my god. Okay, I didn't really lose this pawn because I can take his rook if he takes it. If he sacrifices his rook. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit problematic, bro. Alright, I'm just gonna ignore his attack for now. So this is now protecting. So I don't mind moving away from here now and causing some chaos. Nah, I think I'm gonna cause some chaos. I think I'm just gonna cause some chaos right now, dog. I'm gonna cause a lot of chaos for this guy. Yeah. I'm gonna trade the queen in in the next in the next two moves. Yeah. I'm okay. What is he trying to do? What is he really trying to do? I don't understand what this guy's trying to do. I think trading the queens here would make sense, right? I think trading the queens would make sense here. So can I just get this or maybe just get this? I think getting this in the game would make more sense. Let me just get this in the game. All right. Um, I don't know what the hell is bro playing. Should I pin my own queen? I think I should pin my own queen, right? So if I pin it, then he'll be forced to trade. Oh, if I pin, he might. Nah, he cannot push. Oh, he wants to take this pawn. I see what he's trying to do. He wants to win this pawn. That is actually sad. That's fine, bro. Let him win that pawn. It's okay, man. I think. Oh my god, he might win this again. Oh god. Bro, what's really going on with me? Oh, okay. Let me just move this. He's gonna. I think he's going to play some nice game right now. You see that? He's gonna suck. Yeah, I think I'm toast, man. I think I'm toast, boys. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's actually checkmate. It's not checkmate though, but he's gonna take with this. He's actually just gonna take with this. It's not checkmate. It's just gonna take. Are you sure it is checkmate? He's just gonna take my knight, and I'll be losing. But I think I can take his rook, right? So let me just play this. Yeah, but not bad. I'm still ahead. I'm still ahead of material, so I should be happy, man. I think I'm gonna suck my rook the next thing. I have a way to escape from here. So nice. Mm. Ooh, boys, it's over. It's over if I play here. Yeah. It's over. If I go here, it's over. It's really over for him. Okay. I don't know what bro is trying to play, but this should do it. I think this is gonna do it. I think this should do it. Yeah, I think that should do it. That should do it. He's cooked now. He's toast. There's nothing he can do. He cannot stop this mate. I really don't think he can stop this mate unless he sacks his queen. But even sacking the queen won't even help. Yeah, it's over, bro. The pawn is just doing like a lot of work here, bro. The pawn is just doing a lot of work. I don't have time, bro. This guy wants to flag me. Holy shit. Um, I think I think he's trying his best to like escape from the inevitable. I really don't think he can really do anything now. Oh, I see. He wants to take this. Oh my god. But then I'm going to win his rook, right? Nice. So let me just go here and see. Nice. Alright, let me just go here. Check here. And check here. He has to defend with the queen. Oh my god, I think I should just trade the queens and go and create a new queen. It's okay. I'm just gonna create a new queen real quick. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna trade off this rook. Oh my god, this guy has cooked me. Oh my god, this guy has cooked me, bro. Damn. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just check him, bro, and just get a draw. Oh my god, I'm gonna trade off the queens. I'm gonna trade off the queen, bro. I'm gonna trade this queen off. Okay. Let me activate my king. Let me, yep, go here. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm toast. I'm cooked. Oh shit, bro. Oh, I'm gonna cry, bro. How can I lose this game? How can I just lose this game like this, bro? Oh, this is not good, bro. Holy shit, man. Like, what the hell is this, bro? Oh, oh, bro. Like, this some. I don't know, bro. Sometimes I just don't be understanding myself, bro. Like, the way I be playing is just weird as hell. So, the way I be playing, bro, is just insanely weird. Alright, bro. This might be a draw. I really think this guy doesn't know how to. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a draw. Yeah, draw. Very good. Oh my god. Yo. Yo, what? Yeah, he doesn't know. Oh my god, I was so trash in this game. I was so rubbish, bro. Like, god damn, bro. That, that was not good. Let's go, Caro. Oh my god, that was not good. I did deserve that win. I did deserve that win. I mean, it's alright. I would take it as a win. I mean, like for a draw, given the position I was in, I'll take it. I'll take it as a win, dog. Any day, anytime, I'll take it as a win. I should just play this here, but let me just go and just protect this, I guess. All right. If he wants, we can just trade off. All right. I think he's not really just gonna take here. Yeah. This is not bad though. All right. Let's just pin that. I think trading this light squared bishop, it's okay. Like I'm perfectly okay with trading that off. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna do that, bro. Like it's okay. There's something about the light squared bishop that I hate. I don't know why. All right, this is well protected, so I don't know what my boy is doing. Like I'm targeting that, and I'm also just gonna go behind here and just. There's really not a threat here, though. I'm just gonna castle boy. All right. Why is this guy just trying to offer a trade there? Uh, no, I'm just gonna refuse that. All right. Um, all right. I think I should. Should I take this? So I don't want to be moving my. I don't want to be moving my bishop back and forth. But let me just go here. If he pushes, I just go down. If he pushes here, I just go down. Yes, okay. It's perfectly okay, man. Yeah, I think I should just go here and offer a trade after I've moved this much. I'm just gonna offer a trade here. If it takes it, I take it. It's okay. If it doesn't, I leave it. Oh, this is fine. This should be okay. Uh, is he gonna rook? Is he gonna sack his rook? I don't know. Oh my god. The master of Karo. Okay, we have castled successfully. If it takes, all right, I'm just gonna take here and have room for my. Okay, now his knight is gonna join the game, which is quite annoying, right? Oh, he actually didn't. do anything. So I'm just gonna take the rook. Just gonna take the rook. All right, it's fine. Just gonna have some. All right, that's some tempo on my knight. Hmm. What if I try to like attack the knight here? Oh, isn't that a free? Hold on. Is that not a free pawn? I think that's a free pawn. Oh my god, I was overthinking it. Yeah, yeah. That's a free pawn, boy. Now I think it's best if what's going on here again? Wait, what does he want to play here? I'm supposed to see what he wants to play. He wants to play tech here. I don't know what he wants to do here though. If I go here, he might just. If I go here, he might play check, but I can take back, right? Mm. Bro, I wanted to. Let me threaten the rook instead. Let us threaten the rook instead, because I feel like if he takes this pawn, he's just helping me develop anyways. I guess that's just how I'm gonna play it. Yeah. So if it takes here, it's just gonna help me like at least open this file with tempo, because then I can play something else. Okay, he didn't take it. So I think I should now be able to just go here with the yeah, I should be able to go there with the rook and trade off the rook, because I'm already ahead in like I'm ahead by one, so I should be good. I should be good. All right, he's applying pressure. He okay. I think this is a technical blunder, but he's actually like okay. I think I should take the pawn instead, because if I just take this 3 points and he takes my rook, I'll be cooked. So yeah, that was a good game from my opponent. I'm not gonna lie. I swear to God. I'm gonna move my rook from here though. And if he doesn't move his knight, then I'm just gonna play there. Well, he moved the knight away, but he's now applying pressure to this pawn. But it's well defended, so I'm not really worried. So now that I'm ahead in material, I think I should be able to trade. What do you mean by the hanging rook? Oh yeah, this rook, right? This rook was hanging. But I should be able to trade off this rook. Because this is really well defended. So if anything, this rook is already like is 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 by force going to trade. And I'm already ahead in materials, so I'm really good now. I like my position. I like my position. This is gonna come with check, and I'm just gonna go back to. Oh my god. Okay, I thought he blundered his knight for a sec, but I realized he didn't blunder the knight. So I think I should technically be. I can easily attack the knight, right? Can't I? I think I should be able to attack the knight. Yeah, I can easily attack the knight. So let me just attack the knight. Let me go here and just go here. Yeah. I think I'm really playing this game. This game should do me good. All right. What is he trying to play? I don't understand. What was he thinking? Oh, he wants to. This is back rank mate. If I'm not serious. Yeah. Boy is so good at the game. He wants to checkmate me, but oh my god, it's not gonna be that easy, brother. I'm just gonna create a loft for my queen to I don't want to create like, but he doesn't have any bishop to threaten me. So I think I should be able to go here and then just start cooking him now. Because my pawns, I have a nice pawn structure, bro. I have a very nice pawn structure. I should be able to win. If I trade even the queens, I should be able to win as well. But I'm going to threaten his knight. So now that he has removed his knight from the... Yeah, that is a little bit annoying. I'm just going to check here. Check. And if it goes somewhere, I just continue pushing the pawns. Okay, I'm going to take this. Maybe take, I could take with the pawn as well as take that one. But I should be able to push this pawn. Yeah, there is nothing he can do really. I'm just gonna push and push and push and push. Push this pawn and attack the one that is pinned. I think we are cooking. I think we are cooking. Okay, he went for it, but he's just helping me anyway. Okay, I mean this should be good for me. Take CFI, I take. All right, I'm just gonna take with check here. Check with check. He has to go somewhere. Actually, we won another free pawn, by the way. All right, so we should be. I think this should be checkmate, right? No, 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 no. He has everything defended, bruh. Oh my god, I don't know how to win this guy. But let me first threaten the. Let me first threaten the queen. I'm first threaten the queen. Chase the queen away from there, and then I'm gonna. This might be checkmate. If the queen doesn't protect this, all right. The queen actually protected that, but will it really help? Let me see. Oh my god. Wait, is that not mate? I thought this is mate, right? No, 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 it's not mate. He can escape here, huh? Yep, I'm gonna take this free night. Oh my god, this is cooking of the highest order. Cooking of the highest order, bro. This is like high level cooking, bro. Wait, that was a fork? That was a fork where? Oh, I see the boy wants to draw. He wants to draw the game. But no, bro. I'm not gonna allow you to draw the girl. Like, come on. I miss a fork. Wait, hold on. I miss a fork where? What did I miss a fork at? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Anyways, he's like he's trying so hard to like get me to blunder something. But I think he doesn't have any more checks again. Yeah, I probably missed it. I probably missed it, but it's okay. This should be an easy game to win. Oh, now you see he even just made a necessary pawn push. This should be made. This should now be made, boy. And this is made. Wait, why is it not made? Bro, why is it not made? Boy said don't hang the queen. I would. I won't hang the queen, bro. This guy has a move here. He has check, but no, he's not gonna go for that. He doesn't have any nice checks again. Okay, let me just go here and just put the queen here. I think that is the best way to go about it now. He has just one last desperate check. Wait, after the game, you show me the fork that I missed. I think he has just one last desperate. Alright, this should do it. Let's see. Let me go to the game and see. I think this game we really played though. I feel like I cooked in this game. I especially here. This is let me just go back here and analyze this and just start like let's go here. Let's see. Started with Karokan. I think this is just like book moves, right? We really don't need to do much here. Yeah, you said this was bad. You said this was a bad move, but I think this is a good move because really the light squared bishop is not helping us like when we're playing with black. Like honestly, it's not really helping us. And if we were able to trade it off with like a knight that is, at least protecting the king here, I think we is it's okay to go for it. It does help. I don't know. I don't know how it helps. I really don't know how it helps, bro, because I'm trying to target the dark squares around the king. So the dark squared bishop is like 10 times better than the light squared bishop. Because what are we gonna be attacking here? Nothing really. Maybe a little bit of forking the king, or maybe trying to the king and the queen, or maybe the rooks and stuff. But I think that's a good way to justify it. This was a bad move for me. This was really a bad move. I should have just traded off. But I think I at least managed to get him to push pawns, which is okay. And then I traded off the bishop. All right. Castling was not bad, I guess. This is normal. Yeah, I think this is where my opponent just started losing. The king will always be surrounded by both dark squares and light squares. There are literally no mathematical advantage. You sure? But here's the thing. Here's the thing, right? When the opponent is playing with white, notice what their weaknesses are. Their weaknesses mostly when they push pawns, they push the white pawns to the white, to the white squares, right? And now you can see. So do you know what caused him to push this pawn around the king? Is the bishop, right? So technically the bishop helped us. And taking this, I just wanted him to actually push a pawn, and then when I took it, it helped me. I guess exposing the king is far better than keeping my dark square, light square bishop. But I think that's a way to just justify my inconsistency. But oh, opposite. Okay, nice. So as you can see, now look at the evaluation bar. Look at the evaluation bar, my brother. See there. You see, we are still up. As you can see, soon as he pushes pawn, and look what helped us to do that. The bishop, right? We went. We were not having any interest in trading off this bishop for a knight. I don't know. I just kept it purposely open like that.
No, you didn't. You forgot where the king is.
No, I mean, Nashani, you're meant to be All right, boys, as you can see. So now we helped. Now we are already up. You can see he was winning up to here. Then here now we are winning. Boom, we took, he took, we took. This was a good trade. And then we took, now we won a pawn. And then we won a pawn again. Nice. So again, this was nice. As you can see, we are still doing good. Yeah, I think here is like I'm winning here, literally. I don't know why. Wait, why did this thing just go all the way up there? What was the secret? What was the secret? Moving my rook here just removed my advantage by a tiny bit. Yeah, yeah, I'm far better. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, this was a good move. I feel like this was a great move. This was a great move because we are ahead by 2 pounds, so trading off won't really affect us. Oh, this was a good move as well. Bro, we are cooking. Yo, this was also a good move. At least to create a lot for our queen. For our king. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, this was also a good move. No blunders. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this is dangerous from him. He's very desperate. We are still winning, bro. This was also a good move, apparently. That's crazy. Yo, yeah, I think this is a blunder from our opponent, right? Then we took the. Oh my god, that was tough. That was actually tough. Now we are completely winning, bro. Now this is just. He wanted to actually draw the game, you know? So I kept on this unnecessary checks. Also, moving this pawn here was just. This was just unnecessary. So where was the fault? Where was the fault? Did you mean here? Okay, after I took the king up here, like here, what was the fucker? Oh, you meant with the queen. Yo, this was a crazy fuck. Oh my god. But it's still though, it is what it is. He won, you know. Yo, this was tough. This was actually tough. This was tough. This was tough. This is actually tough. Maybe what could we have played from here? We can obviously we cannot check here, dog. Right? Maybe check here, and he goes somewhere here. Then what else? We check here, and we just take this, and then we are winning. All right. Actually, that was yeah. I should be looking out for those. I should be looking out for those for him. Anyways, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. That game was a nice one. Let's just get another dub or so. If we get another dub, we'll be back to what where we at now. Okay, 776, not bad. Our opponent is 72. All right, not bad. Let's go with our Jobava London. Um, okay, I could go with this trick. I think I should go with this trick, right? And at least win some material. Let me just go for it. And if he pushes this pawn, yeah, we have a brilliant move, my brothers. We have a brilliant move. We have a brilliant move. Let's go. I knight here. We go take the king. I mean, take the pawn. Knight here. We take the pawn. He doesn't do anything. We take the knight. Very good. Oh, he didn't do anything. He didn't do anything. I'm just gonna take. If he takes, I take this pawn again. I'm really cooking. Nice. So that being said, I'm gonna get some tempo to discover check. Oh, don't mind if I do. God. Oh my god. That was insane. That was insane, bro. That was insane. So which one should I save, bro? Which one should I save? I mean I should save my rook, bro. Let me save my rook, which is like 5 points, right? Just save my rook, bro. Okay. Um, I don't know, bro. We're at a point where I don't even need to cancel at this point, bro. Oh, he has a light squid. Oh my god, I was going to. Hey, yo, 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 yo. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Now this is just desperate. Now this is just desperate. Unnecessary checks. All right, boy, who's trading? I will take that. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this to check. Okay, I thought I was taking this for a minute. All right, if it goes here, if it goes there, um, okay, he didn't really do anything. So what should I do? Let me just swing this rook in the game also. Okay, now that he's there, This is annoying. This is like mad annoying. I'm just gonna go here. All right, now that he's there, I think I should. Oh my god, how should I win this guy, man? Let's go here first. Nice. Uh, let me check him here. Okay, checking him there wasn't helping though. How should I go about this, bruh? How about I check here again? Let me check here first. Oh, that was mate. Apparently, that was mate. Let's go. I thought I was just checking. I thought I was just checking him. Yeah, this was a simple game, bro. Yo. We need to review this game. We need to review this game. Let's go and put our narratives on. Bro, I need to get the subscription. I should have done Queen, Trident, Queen, Trident, taken the Bishop. Yeah, I think that would have worked as well. I really need to get the premium, bro. I really need to get the premium. At this point, I need to get the premium. Nice. Hey man, Drake, your name is Drake. Drake Cap? Boy, that's a funny name. Anyways, let's review this game real quick. We started with our D4 opening, which is nice. Oh, it was mate. I didn't know, bro. Like I really need to work on how to spot mates, man. Like my mate spotting knowledge is very low. All right. Let's look at the evaluation bar. Here I'm a little slightly better, and I think we have. Wait, we're supposed to have a brilliant move. Was it okay? Yeah. If he had if he had moved this here, and we took this, and he took, and we take, and he moves somewhere here, we take. He moves. I don't know. He moves here. Take. We take. This is gonna be a brilliant move, right? But I feel like he didn't do any of that. So, how do we do this? Wait, how do we do this? Let's just refresh, maybe. Okay. I need to put this. Hold on. I'll put the analysis on. All right. Um, this was a great move. Taking here, taking there. Yeah, discover check. This is where he. Oh wait, I was completely losing here. How? Why was I completely losing here? How? I don't understand the concept that I was completely losing. Maybe queen here, check. Yeah, I think queen check. I was cooked. But I couldn't defend here, right? And this check, check, check. Yeah, then I'm forced to maybe defend at this. Then check, check. That's it. Is that it? So why they saying I'm completely losing? Maybe I don't understand why they're saying I'm completely losing. Sometimes I don't understand these variations. After pawn block, it takes your pawn. Oh, so that then I'm losing because of the damn pawn. I don't know. I don't believe in that. I think his stockfish is high, but it's okay. We took that. Let's just leave this analysis on. Okay, I'm completely losing. Yeah, he was completely losing him. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. So where was the mate here? Where was the mate here? Where was the mate? I think this was a good idea, right? To force the bishop to block the king's only passage. Oh, and then we just mate. Where was the mate here? Oh no, really. I couldn't spot the mid, but it's okay. Let's just go. Let's go for the next game. Let's go for the next game. Mm, all right, we'll go with D4 opening again. Mm, all right, boys. Are we gonna do the infamous? Are we gonna do the infamous? Okay, okay. He did allow it. Okay. I'm gonna move this so that he doesn't like. I don't like this pinning. This is stupid pinning. I don't like it. So he's probably gonna just play here to offer a trade. All right. You know what? I'm gonna move here. Oh, this is tough. Oh my god, this was tough. Okay, nah, nah. I'm gonna leave it here though. I'm gonna leave it there. It's okay. I think it's time for me to open way for my light squared bishop and just continue developing. So, okay, was this necessary, bro? Wait, does he have any check here? Nothing. This was unnecessary. Honestly, this was unnecessary, dog. I think this was unnecessary. So that was it. Now you just he's thinking that maybe he's stopping me from castling. Okay, he wants to take here and maybe take here. Is that the point? I don't understand his concept. Take here and then apply pressure to my rook, but I can always take, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna move my king out of this stupid um yeah, I'm gonna attack that pawn, that free pawn. If he takes this pawn, I'm gonna take that pawn as well. All right. Uh or maybe stopping me from castling. That was the point. It's okay. Let him take the pawn, bro. I can always take that pawn. I can always take that pawn and just take back material. So I should be cool. I should be cool. All right, he's trying to apply pressure to my. Someone who's gonna take that free pawn. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I think I should offer a queen trade. Oh, pressure, pressure. This is pressure. He has to go away from there. This is pressure, 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 pressure. We're applying pressure, bro. Maximum pressure. Let's go. All right. Boys, he has nothing else again. I'm really now gonna cook him. Hmm. Yeah, he has nothing to play again, dog. It's over. Ooh, boys, I have a nice game. Oh my god, look. Look at these pieces on the same line. Look at the pieces on the same line. How about if I go here with the queen? How about if I go here with the queen? Let me see. If I go here with the queen and I should just play right now. I should play this right now. I really don't know. This looks like a free pawn to me. I think I should just take the free pawn. Yeah, man. I really have a lot of choices that I don't want to choose any now. Boys, what do you think? Should I take the free? I think taking this comes with like, yeah, let me just take here. Let me just take this free pawn. All right. He just pre-moved this, which is crazy. Should I be scared of that move? No, how about I protect this pawn? Or maybe take. How about I go back? Yeah, how about I just go back? And I don't want smoke. Say I don't want smoke. Yeah, I don't want smoke with your pawn, dog. But I think I should be okay with trading, right? But that's not trading. Okay, I'm just gonna protect it with this. My boy ain't winning nothing. You're not winning shit. Okay, this was quite annoying. This was quite annoying. I'm just gonna pin this for now. Yeah, I'm gonna pin this. Oh, he decided to pin my knight as well. How about this? Wait. Wait a minute. Oh my god, he pinned my knight, dog. Oh, because the queen is behind. How about I take this? Yeah, how about I take this? Yeah. I think I should be able to trade the queens off and still win this game. Yeah, I should be able to trade the queens off and still win this game, bro. Yeah, that was a yo, I feel like this was a very good game for me. Yeah, this guy's lost. Completely lost. What is he doing? What is he doing? Let's attack that piece. Bro, pieces are pinned left, right, center. Everything is pinned left, right, center, bro. Oh my Jesus. So, which one should I begin with? which one should... I think I should first take this. I think taking that was... Alright. He's trying to be slick and apply pressure to my... I don't know. How about I take here first? I should be okay with trading off the pieces and I'll win. Oh my god, this guy is dull. This guy is not normal. I'm just gonna trade off these pieces and win the game. Oh my god, I'm evil. Run after me, my boy. Hold on. Let's go here and just start pushing this pawn until when we queen. Oh my god, this guy's gonna lose. That was insane, bro. We play some chess. We play some chess. He resigned. Let's go, bro. Back to back wins. Back to back wins. I'll take that anytime. Let's try to review our game to see. Yo, I'm really now excited at least, bro. One more game to get back to 800. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what we did good and what we did bad. I think this was a good move. This one was a nice move. That was a really nice move. Okay, yeah, that was a blunder. Okay, that wasn't a blunder at first, but when I played this, yeah, he blundered. Nice, nice. We are still winning. Nice. Oh my god, we are still winning. We are still winning. Every move here is just a winning move now. Yeah, this is a good one as well. Oh, thank God I didn't blunder. This is a problem. Because what my brain was telling me was to like push this. My brain was saying, okay, push this. And if I had done that, I was gonna lose, like straight up. But I said no, let me take that pawn. And then boom, let's go. Let's trade off the queens. And we are out of there. Oh my god, he just fell on this. He just came and threw himself like, okay, could you please pin my bishop as well? This is my best moment. So could you please just pin my bishop as well? I'm trying to protect my pawn, but apparently I want you to pin my bishop. That maybe it will protect the pawn better. Then yeah, loss. I think taking with the rook was a bad idea, but this was a good idea. And then yeah, taking this way was also a good idea. You check, yes, trade off pieces, and just win a simple game. Alright, because I was just gonna push this pawn all the way to become a queen and he was gonna lose. So nice. Let's just go for the next game. Oh my god, back to back white. Let's go. D4 opening is our favorite opening. Okay. I don't know why he has like a weird kind of Oh, this is Fianchetto, but I can win this, right? So he's not taking the center, I'll take the center. He's not really trying to take the center, I would take the center. All right, my bad, bro. The other game, we did this before this move. Like, this move is just so annoying, bro. But anyways, we're not gonna be castling this side anymore, so it's fine, bro. It's fine. It's really fine. Okay. Oh, this is a very annoying move, but this should allow us to apply pressure there. But if he pushes here, now we're gonna be in trouble. But at least we get him to push pawns, right? There's nothing else he can do again to like apply pressure. Okay, he's gonna win this pawn. He was supposed to win this pawn. What the hell is bro playing? What is he gonna go next here? Knight here, right? Or knight here for a push? He's just gonna play the knight anyways. Or maybe I'll take and then I don't know. Maybe just protect this pawn of mine and stop him from like jumping anywhere here. So nice. Um, I don't know if I will castle, bro. Take, I mean, take, and I'm in trouble. What if I take, he takes, and his king is exposed? Hmm, that should be a good idea. What if I just push here? What if I just push here? Let me just push. If he takes, I take back. I think that would be a good idea. But then his knight can join the game, which is down. By the knight joining the game when I win a pawn, okay, I'm just gonna win a pawn. And what's going on here? He decided to castle. Shouldn't that be good for us? Now that means I can apply, but hold on, I don't want him to take this pawn here. Okay, I don't know if I should be, if that move should bother me. How about we get some tempo on the queen? How about that? And then win this free pawn. How about that? Okay, shit, we should have won the free pawn from the start. He went to protect his pawn. Not bad. Alright, how about I just go here with this? How about I go and just try to apply pressure to that? Okay, he's offering bishop trade. I'm just gonna take it. Should I trade off the bishops? There's nowhere my bishop can go, by the way. So let me just trade off the bishops. Nice. Okay, I'm just helping him develop his pieces. That's crazy. It is what it is. What's the next thing to do? I think I should push here. If I push here, I'll lose this, but okay, my queen is protecting it. Oh my god. Okay, how about I apply pressure to this pawn here? But it's protected by the queen. Okay. Oh my god, shit. Alright, I think I'm just gonna develop my knight, bro. Yeah, there's no castling for me. Oh, he removed this knight from there. Jeez. Oh, applying pressure to my bishop. That was a slick move, bro. That was a slick move. I'm not trying to lose my bishop, so just gonna go here. And I'll probably push this pawn now. I'll probably push this pawn instead. I'll just push this pawn and apply pressure to this. Alright. He's pushing pawns here. Or he's trying to pin me actually. If he takes this, is pinned. So let me also apply pressure here. If he pins my knight, I can always just get out of the pin. So let's see. All right, so okay, he two defenders. Um, I really don't think this is a good move from him though. He has two attackers, right? I have two defenders. I think we should be good. He's thinking this is checkmate. Is it checkmate? I think it's not checkmate. I take, and it's just like a trade. But I'm ahead by a pawn. So what's the concept? Oh, I see. I see what it's doing. But I'm gaining tempo on the queen though, right? Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. How about I go here? How about I go here? No, 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 no. You know, I was gonna lose, by the way. I was gonna lose because this was gonna be mate, by the way. If I had done it before moving my king from here, it was gonna be mate. All right, he saw it. He saw it. He saw it. He saw it. Actually, how about I go now here? No, how about I go here, check? All right. Here's the thing. I'm gonna do this, right? I'm gonna do this. I'm first play here. Yeah, let me first play here first. Remove this, and then prepare the checkmate. Maybe here. I don't know, bro. I really don't know what to do here. How can I chase this queen away? If he moves the queen away, rook check, then bishop checkmate. Wait for it. He's not gonna move the queen. That's why I'm trying to look for ways to chase the queen. If only I could chase the queen, bruh. Okay, I think this is not a good idea. How about I go here? No, 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 no. Removing my knight will get me mated here. So let me just move this. Let me just move that piece. I don't know if you guys see the reason why I'm playing this. Okay. He has decided to. Okay, let me just first check here first. All right. Um, he wants to have check here and then I'm toast. Oh my god. How annoying can this guy get, man? I'm just gonna go here. I don't want any problems with this guy. Oh my god, my. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shit, that's terrible. Going here, we just invite this. I will take this, right? There's nothing you can do here. Yeah, that was really not good, man. That was really bad. That was bad game for me, by the way. Ooh, boys, I have a nice game. Look at the background. Look at the background. I'm just gonna apply pressure to the queen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not yet. It's not yet. It's not yet over for sure. I still have hope. Okay. He instead, I don't know what the hell he wants to play, dog. Oh, he wants to target my bishop. I see. Alright. How about here? No. How about here? No. How about down here? God. How about I just go here, bro? How about I just go here? This is just mad annoying, right? Ah, this guy is preventing my queen from joining the game and it's just annoying me, bro. Bro, how annoying do you want to get? How annoying does this guy want to get, bro? Alright, he's now offering a trade of rooks. I'm down in material, I shouldn't be trading. I'm not just gonna trade. I'm not. I'm not gonna trade. I'm not. But if I'm able to get my queen somewhere here, holy shit. Yeah, this guy is gonna cast his life, dog. Okay. I think I should be looking for a way to get my queen in the game. So my queen should be able to join the game now. Okay, not here. My queen should be able to join the game now. He was trying to keep my queen out of the game for as long as possible. I missed checkmate with the bishop. Where, bro? Where? Where was the checkmate with the bishop? Where was it, bro? I couldn't see a thing at all. When he moved his knight in front of his rook to threaten your bishop. That wasn't made. How is it made when the rook can literally take it? I don't see the mate there. The rook could literally take it, bro. Yeah, I think I need to lock in now. I need to lock in. So let me first get the opening out of the way. No, dude, then his knight blocks the rook. It was made. Wait. When he moved his knight in front of his rook to threaten your bishop. I didn't see it. For real, I need to relax with the moving too fast. For sure. I'm not worried about this. Um, let's get this out of the way, bro. This pawn should be dead. This pawn should be dead. Okay, he decided to protect it. But I think I have two defenders. I have one. He takes, I take back with this bishop. Right? Yeah. I'm still up a pawn. Nice. Let's see what he's gonna play next. Alright, let me develop my pieces. If he takes this, it's just helping me develop, which is good. I'm going to gain some tempo on this bishop. So I'm going to develop this bishop with some tempo. I'm perfectly okay if he wants to, like, you know, that's what he wants to play. Like, for example, here I can double up his pawns. If he decides to take here, it's cooked. Mm, all right, let's push for that pawn. Let's try to win that pawn right there. All right, I should be able to take this. And open up this file for the rook. Nice. I'm not really gonna like run to take this pawn. I'm just gonna come here. Okay, this was a nice game. This was actually a nice game. Let me also let's see. Let's see first rook for rook. Actually, let me threaten to take his bishop. Hmm. All right, he removed this. Should be able to win there. That is protected, right? I think this rook is cooked. All right, so now that that is out of the way, I think I should be able to take this. Oh no, not take this, not take this, not take that actually. Hmm. Maybe take this pawn. Well, that's not a free pawn, it's protected. So let me try to go here. Actually, he's protecting this though, which is very annoying. Okay, I see what he's trying to do. I see what he's trying to do. So rather than just losing my rook, I think I'm ahead in material, right? I should be able to trade the pieces off. I go here, he takes, I take. Nice. So let me just go here. Let me just go here. If it takes, I take back. This is gonna be mate, by the way. If he doesn't react to this, oh, he can, yeah, he can go there and take and win this. So nice that you've traded. Oh, we have this. Okay. Uh, I think we should be able to trade off this bishop. Oh, I just need the bishop pair, man. Let me just keep the bishop pair. Mm, yeah, just keep the bishop pair, bro. Oh, maybe go all the way here or take this. Bro, knights are annoying, bro. Let me just take this knight. Oh my god. I really don't have choice now. Oh, this was actually hanging. This is actually hanging, so let me just move it up. Hey, brother, I'm back. You said, bro, Bishop Sack was amazing? Wait, what? Is this supposed to be background mate? I can go here though, right? Huh? I'm thinking about sacking this bishop, bro. Think let me just get my light skirt bishop out of the way. This is not mate, by the way. This is not background mate. I think he wants to come here and trade. If he goes, he can't come here now because I'm protecting this. Very nice. Bro, my bishop pair is giving this guy some crazy hard time. I love what's going on. Okay, he doesn't have any good squares for the knight. Very good. Very good. Why can the knight go here? Nowhere, bro. Anywhere the knight goes is cooked. Anywhere the knight goes is cooked. So I need to get the king in the game so we can start. Okay, he's offering bishop trade. Should I accept it? I think I'm gonna accept it. I'm ahead in material. I'm just gonna take that anytime. Or should I accept the trade? Yeah, let me just accept the trade, bro. It's fine. All right. That being said, um, let's first apply pressure to this. If it goes here, oh, it will be very problematic, man. All right. I'm gonna start losing pawns left, right, center, bro. Yeah, if it takes, I take. I can't take there though. Oh shit. Oh my god, I'm starting to lose pawns, bro. Bro, my rook can't even move because of this stupid pawn here, bro. Oh my lord. Oh man, I'm gonna lose all my pawns, bro. Damn. I played poorly, bro. Like I'm about to lose all my goddamn pawns. Holy shit, bro. This is annoying me. This is annoying me so much. I should have gotten my king in the game since. Alright, I think he's He's he might blunder something. He might blunder something. I think he has already blundered. All right. And maybe I should just go and attack that pawn. Good. All right. I don't know, bro. Oh my God. Okay. This should be good. This should really be good for me. Nice. He has to react to this now. Take this pawn, no problem. I'm gonna take this pawn. But oh my God, that's so annoying, bro. All right, it's fine. Okay. All right, nice game. Nice game. What did I try to play? Holy shit. What? I'm. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked, boys. You know what? If he pushes all the way here, I'm just gonna take. I'm gonna take. If he pushes all the way here, I'll suck my bishop and just continue pushing the pawns. And I'll take that pawn right there. Discover check. Nice. I think sucking this knight is a good idea. Or maybe just pushing. Let me go there. Push this. Nice. Let me just check him again. Nice. Check him again and win that pawn. Alright, this is gonna annoy me now. Yeah, I don't want him to queen at all. If it means okay, he might go here and have a discover check on me, I guess. He might suck his rook, and if I take the rook, he might suck his rook here. If I take the rook, then I'm cooked. Holy shit. Bro, I need to start like I really need to sacrifice here. Let me just take here. I need to suck this. He thought I was gonna take the rook, but no. I want him to push and then I suck. Actually, I'm gonna move the rook here and then maybe suck the rook or suck. I want to stop this by all means possible. So now I think it's time to start pushing now the pawns. It's time to start pushing this pawn. If he pushes here, I take like anytime, bro. This bishop is very important, dog. All right. I don't think he's gonna play there. So let me check him so that I can get some time to move. I'm not gonna remove my bishop from there. Not at all. Not anytime soon. So let's go. Let's go. If it goes here, I just take. Let's go. Nice. Suck. And then go. Very good. Very good game. Oh my god, I like my game. Oh my god, I like my game. I like my game, boys. I like my game. I'm just gonna push, dog. And if he wants to take this, he can take it, bro. I think he doesn't have anything here again. Nice. All right. I don't think let me first defend here. Let me just defend here. I don't know what he's playing. I don't think all right. Let's see. All right, nice. Here. Um ooh, this is a nice game. Check here. And I take this. Very good. Very good move. Very good move. We are winning, bro. Stop playing with us. Yeah, bro. We are winning. Mm-mm. Bro, let's push this. Let's push this. Uh, check. Move away from there. Nonsense. I'm just gonna move this closer to me as well. Very good. Very good. Oh my god, bro. That was a very nice move. Nice end game. That was a nice end game, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get to 800 ASAP. Let's go with Karakan this time, bro. I don't want to risk it. We go with Karakan. Anything he plays, I'm just gonna play. He's going for advanced variation, not bad. Here I think I'm just gonna go put my bishop all the way there. I think he's gonna play the knight here though. Not bad. Alright, so I think I have a nice position. I'm just gonna push this pawn. I don't know why he's pushing pawns there. Oh my god, he's trying to trap my bishop. Ooh, that's not good. I need to react to that. Oh yes, trap my bishop, bruh. What? What? Okay, actually, okay, how should I do this? I have an idea. I'm gonna let him take here, right? I'm gonna put my bishop here, let him take from there. All right. Now I'm gonna take here. I have a nice idea, bro. I might checkmate this guy. I might checkmate this guy. I swear to God. All right. Oh God. Should I go here? Here, defense with the knight. Nice. Anything he defends with, I take. I take. Nice. Oh Lord, I'm losing my bishop. Oh my God, I'm losing my bishop. What the hell am I thinking? Yo, he did. What? What is going on? Yo, what? What is going on? We have another queen on board. What? What is going on? What? What was this guy thinking? Holy shit. I think this guy's like, nah, I'm cooked. Jesus. Another queen on board? Don't mind if I do. Oh my god. I think the only way is to take this. If I get another queen, then he puts this here. But will it really solve anything? Oh, this here, I won't even take the rook actually. I don't have to take the rook. This is like mate, I guess. This is like mate. He has to defend with something. Oh, he can go there though. All right. Not bad. Oh my god, not bad. So, how should I look for this mate now? Oh my god, we are cooking. We are cook. What the hell? What the hell, bro? What the hell? Oh my god, what went in my brain? Now I'm about to lose again. I'm about to lose again. Oh my god. Oh my days, bro. Why did I play like that? Holy shit, I would have made this guy. It's okay.
I told you I was going to
Is bro not gonna get trapped? Okay, I think I should. Oh no, 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 no. Mm. That should not win me anything. How about if I push here? How about if I push this? Oh, he wants to just take. Let me first answer. If I could get a way to get this knight off of defending this. Nice. So I think this should be winning for us though. Oh no, I need to get this. Oh my god. Almost. Yeah, yeah, almost, almost, almost. Hmm. Oh, nice. He ran out of patience. Oh, did I? Okay. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Trading off the queens is just gonna ease my pressure, bro, because I almost got heart attack. I nearly got heart attack. I'm just gonna win this pawn now. This pawn and this pawn. So these two pawns are goners. This is gonna go, and then this is also gonna go. Oh my god. Okay, he wants to back rank mate me, but it's not gonna happen because this is gonna fall also. Nice. Nice. So the queen trade, he means made it too. I guess. I don't know. I mean, I'm just gonna push this pawn to create some loft for my king. And this is gonna come with check. Very nice. Very nice. We're gonna win with check. Ooh. Oh my god, we are gonna win material, bro. We're gonna win material, boy. I think, what if I go here? Right? What if I had gone here with the knight? Couldn't it have been better? Okay. How about this? Nice. He has to move. Ooh, very nice. I think he might fall in some crazy trap right now. Please fall in the trap. Please fall in the trap. Okay, I thought he was gonna fall in the trap for a second, but he's not. He's not gonna fall in that trap. So let me just get my knight here first. I think it's time to start pushing the pawns, right? Hmm. Let's see. If I check here, what's gonna happen? Just gonna take my knight, right? What if I go here, check, and grab this knight? Oh, yo, yo, yo! He walked into the trap. He walked into the trap. Very nice game. He walked into the trap, and his knight is cooked. Very good. Good move. Tough move, bro. Tough move. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god, this is a knife. Oh, he got into another trap. What the hell? What the hell you did? Get trapped. Oh my god. Hold on. Is this guy really gonna get cooked like this? Jesus. I think he might counter attack me, right? And I'll counter attack him also. He might just go here. I saw that coming though. I really saw that coming. Okay, what if I go here and apply pressure to this knight? Oh my god, we are cooking! I think it's time. I think it's time for this guy to just press the resign button. Resign Town is the name of the game, boy. Wait, how about I take with check? He takes, I take back his rook. Isn't it a better way to do it? Taking with check, he takes, I take. Okay, actually, I'm not gonna take with check and just yeah. He's toast. He's actually toast. Because there may be a discovered check on his queen if it's that serious. Because he's not able to go here. He's not able to go here. He's oh my god. Oh my god. I thought I had a discovered check. I think I have a discovered check. Oh, I have a discovered check, I guess. How about I go here first check? I don't know. Do I have a discovered check, bro? How about I go here? If it takes I take back and I'm still ahead in material, then we're just trading pieces. How about I just bring my yeah, how about I bring my rook in the game now? What do you guys think, bro? Going here with check will allow me to trade off the rooks. And the more pieces I trade off, the easier it gets for me, I guess. Here, check. But if I check here, he might go somewhere here, but he can never take this rook. And I take his rook, right? I'm trying to think. How about I just check here? Let me just check here and just check his rook, bro. You want me to find mate? If it goes up here, I check again here. I'm sure they will be mate for real. Yes, I go here. I think they will be mate in a second. All right, I'll go here. All right, this is starting to annoy me. All right, let me just take here, bro. Let me just trade that pair of rooks, man. I think trading pieces will really help for my case. If he checks here, I just go here. That's it. Okay, I have to go here. I think I have a queen. I really have a queen to make, bro. How about okay? Now he doesn't have anything else. He really doesn't have anything. Oh my god. Hold on. How about I check here? Yeah, I think I'm good, bro. I'm really good. I'm good on this. I'm really good. I'm good. I'm not gonna remove my rook from here. I missed a fork. Mm, I don't know. How about I just push my pawns? Because my rook is still gonna be here. The moment he removes this, he's cooked. Nice. Let me just push my pawns, bro. I'm not worried about his checks. The rook is just here. And if anything, I'll just suck this rook. Alright. Just go here, bro. Yeah, this guy is toast. This guy is toast. He will just go here to defend this, and I just go and queen. Hey, let's go. Oh my god. Yeah, toss. Good. Good game, bro. Alright. I'll just go and apply pressure here to his rook. Alright. Should I care about that pawn? Yeah, I should definitely care about the pawn, bro. Yeah, this was insane. He fucked both of my pawn and my. Oh lord, I think I should be able to protect this pawn, right? Yeah, I should be able to protect this pawn. It's okay, bro. Let him take that. I should be able to protect this pawn. I should be able to protect that pawn. You stupid fool. Alright. If I go somewhere far, my pawn will be tossed. So let me go up here and see what's up. Let me see what he's gonna do next. Nice. Apply pressure to the rook. Very good. Alright. He really wants to get rid of my rook, man. Or my pawn, bro. I think I should be able to win though. I should be able to win this game. Oh, boy wants to continue playing. Nice. I first check his king away from here. He goes to any light square, he's cooked. He goes to any light square, he's cooked. Should he go to any light square? Okay, that's not. I wanted to cook him, but it's okay. This guy is just mad annoying. No more checks for him now. Very good. Yeah, go away from there. Good enough, he doesn't even have time. Oh, boys. This cover check. Oh my God, is that? This is two checks. He has to go somewhere else. I thought I had a discovered check for a second, bro. All right, let's see. Let's see. There's nobody more annoying than this guy. Go away from there, fool. This is starting to annoy me, bro. I'm gonna apply pressure there. Good. Oh, finally, the rook is gone. Mm, finish. Nonsense. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Should be able to win, bro. Go away from there, fool. Protect that. Nice. And just like that, we have won. Oh my God. Let's go. Move away. Nice. Bro, you're always spotting the fox that I miss, bro. We are back to 800, bro. Oh, Lord. Oh, shit. Bro, let's see. We've had some win streak, which is good. We lost one, but yeah. This was a nice check this card for the mate in one that you missed. Let's see. Mate in one. Where was it? Hold on. Oh, holy cow. Holy cow, dog. Oh, God, I missed that. Mate in one. Wait, how comes I. What was this game? When was it? Where's that game? Was it this one? Yeah, I think it was this game. Ooh, I miss Mate in one for real. Here. Ooh, he had won. Oh my God, this was Mate in. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, bro. I think we should be good now. In 800, we need to start struggling at least, bro. Like, just hanging on, like, it's like a low hanging fruit. 800 is very risky, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, my boy. So, it was a nice low stream, bro. Like, I love the win streak that we had. Although we've been losing, it is what it is, my boys. That's it. You lose today, you win tomorrow. So, my boy FBI, thanks for being there, man. You got what I'm saying. So, catch up with you tomorrow. Let's go.